it's time for the tip of the week.
Okay, Sparky.
Alrighty then. So last week we started with the top mistakes made by DIYers. So just running down that part one in case you missed it was, and not going to discuss these. Buying inferior products to save money. Number two, starting without the necessary supplies. Number three, not securing or preparing the job properly before starting. Number four, not getting the necessary permits. And five, not doing the math correctly.
And those
How
are
to do
all
it.
on YouTube if you want to go back and listen to them.
Right. So let's go right to part two here. So the other problem most homeowners do is they get in over their head. So you need to know your limitations, right? I mean, if you don't have a lot of experience, don't start in the kitchen. Try remodeling or adding shelves in your closet. Then you'll learn to use a level, drill some holes. You know what I mean? Start small. Work your way to the kitchen. Don't just take on the kitchen. Do some trim work. Maybe try a powder room next, then a full bath. Kitchen should definitely be the last room any DIYer does, because it's just that hard.
Yeah,
No,
start.
it's not really hard, but there's a lot more things you have to think about. You know what I mean? So it just don't get in over your head.
You can spend as much money doing a bathroom as you can a kitchen.
Yeah, but
and
bathrooms are still easier.
Yeah. Then the kitchen,
Yeah.
you think?
I mean, aside from maybe unless you're going to break your floors and do the underground and stuff.
Yeah.
But that's different. I think if you're just switching out things, it's no biggie.
Oh yeah, if you're just swapping out, yeah. I'm talking about ripping them out, starting completely over.
Yeah. No. Most DIYers are not going to strip everything back to the studs.
Right.
All right. Don't be who you are not.
What's that? Don't be who
you are not.
Don't be who you ain't.
Right.
Okay.
So if you're not comfortable doing electric or plumbing, I suggest you find a skilled tradesman before starting. Don't go tearing into something and all of a sudden have a water leak and then go, "Hey, Bill, do you know a plumber?" Because, you got a leak. So get that kind of stuff lined up before you get started, all right? Because their schedule may not meet yours. So do a little of that. So don't be who you aren't.
Okay.
And then allow enough time. Do not try to do a whole remodel in one weekend. Me, I won't even start a remodel until I have all the materials sitting in my garage.
Right.
Doing this for years, I know better what I need than, I'm not going to be going 100 trips to the store.
Uh-huh.
Besides that, it's 18 miles up the road to the Lowe's. You know what I mean? So it's not like just a quick jaunt.
Right.
So you got to have everything there. I would have everything in my garage on a Friday night. I'd do my demo, and then Saturday morning I can get up and go hit it, right?
Uh-huh.
And it's still not going to get done in one weekend.
No.
Now, I might be able to get a toilet reset so that you can at least get going there.
So how many cases of beer does it take to do a bathroom? I guess that's the real question.
I don't drink when I work.
Oh, okay, good. You still have all your fingers. That's probably why.
That's probably why. Yes, I have all 9 of them.
Yeah.
Nope. But yeah, you got to just, if you don't have the right tools and things like that, it's going to slow you down.
Uh-huh.
So don't try to just bang it out in one weekend necessarily. I mean, even my master bath took me, I think I got a total of 9 man days into it.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty good.
No, but I mean, so a man day is just an 8-hour day, one person. And I mean, actually, I probably worked longer than 8 hours on any of those days.
Sure.
But 9 days to do a bathroom.
Uh-huh.
And that's with all the tools and the experience, you know what I mean? So to think you're going to pull that off, and you could probably pull it off in 2 days, but it's not with what I did. But I mean, because we had to do underground and everything, but still, it's a lot of work.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Keep it realistic. And if you're not sure about something, then just don't jump on it yet.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. The KISS method.
Yes. There you go. So what else you got?
Keep it simple, silly.
Mm-hmm.
No. The last one is not silly.
Oh.
No, that's it. That was it. I almost got through it last week, so.
Okay. Keep it simple, stupid. I thought that's the way it was.
Mm-hmm.
No, Robbie? That's not how it goes?
It's silly.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to do it.
All right.
Makes you happy.
So if someone is going to try and do a project by themselves, you're saying start out with like redoing a closet or do something small and kind of work your way up through to that
Right.
bathroom. Don't start out redoing a bathroom. Don't
Correct.
start out doing a basement remodel or a kitchen.
Well, whenever we had a new guy start and I had to teach him how to trim, the first thing he did is he starts running baseboard in closets.
Yep. Or
If you make a mistake or something, it's not the end of the world. It's in a closet.
Right.
Most of the time I can get past that.
yeah,
And then you start working, on up.
right.
So
Same with drywalling. You put the new guy in the closet to do all the taping in the drywall. It's got
Right.
all the inside corners. It's got the flats. It's got all the stuff, and you're going to cover it all up anyway with shelving and hanging and stuff. So if they,
yeah, and taping is far more difficult than
Yeah.
people realize. And
Uh-huh.
it's, but like when we would teach it, you always got to cut the edges real hard. So the
Yep.
thing is, if you do it right, there isn't that much sanding.
Yep.
So the way I would teach most of the guys how to tape is first thing you do is hand them a sanding pole.
This
Right.
is Mighty
We'll be back
House.
right after this.
Mighty House will return.